What's going on, guys? Dr. Ben, Healthy Feet Podiatry. Look at this. I was wrong. This is the juiciest toe of the year. Actually, no, last year it was. No, last week was. We had a gentleman last week. Were you here for it?
Maybe.
No? Okay.
Probably when I wasn't working because I don't do anything every day.
Yeah, Autumn doesn't do that.
I just hang out in my office.
Sure. Nice and close, okay? He's got his, he's biting his shirt now. He dropped a huge, what was it?
A bucket, big bucket.
This is gonna splash. Careful, Autumn. Careful. He's watching through. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good. Yeah, so a lot of times what happens when you drop something, you cause like a huge hematoma underneath the nail. And what that does, it just lifts the entire nail off of the nail bed. So he did most of the work for me. I've actually done it before where I took the whole entire nail off without numbing the patient up, because again, all this skin is just basically dead at this point. How's that feel? Any pain?
No, I just feel you touching it.
Did it not hurt when you were playing basketball?
It did really hurt.
What were you thinking?
I don't know, I'm stupid.
Boys will be boys.
Yeah.
You know, it's like that one time I had, I went to Vegas after having my appendix removed the same week. That's a boy kind of thing to do.
Yeah.
That hurt?
No, it just is feels weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh my.
That's what happens when you drop 60-pound things on your foot.
Oh
So what you did was you caused a huge laceration. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right there, a huge cut in your nail bed. That's all that fluid was leaking out into your foot. So what to do? A little ointment and Band-Aid every single day. This is gonna heal just fine. Let me just clean it up the rest of the skin here.
No, it just is kind of terrifying to look at.
Yeah, you know, I mean, if you can handle playing basketball on it, you can handle this right here. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning out the devitalized skin, nothing else, making sure there's nothing else that could be in there causing any issues. Leave this dressing on until tonight or tomorrow morning, like I said. Ointment and Band-Aid every single day, and then I will see you in 2 weeks just to make sure this is healing up fine. Any questions?
No, sir.
Anyways, hey, thanks for letting us record. Tell Coach I said hi.
No problem.
Guys, be sure to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Hey, guys, don't drop stuff on your feet. Come on, please.